Hello guys, welcome once more to the channel, and on today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a passport from start, from beginning to the end. So if you're new here, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get into the video. Don't touch that dial till the ending of the video. So let's go. So I want to open my Photoshop, and this is the passport I want to work on today. I'm going to click on it to open. So now, first of all, I want to crop this passport to a range of 35 by 45. All you have to do is just go to your crop tool over here. You can hit C on your keyboard, then click it. Now you're going to adjust it. Make sure that she's in the middle. Then click on OK. Then we want to unlock this layer. Now we're going to zoom in. Okay, zoom out. Zoom out. Okay. Click on your move tool. Then if this thing is not showing, know that this thing is not turned on. So you have to turn it on. Then now we want to zoom out and drag it down. Remember, in a passport, you only want to see your face and a little bit of your chest region. So to rotate this to be straight, just go here and click and hold to rotate. Then you still zoom out. Then you drag it. Yeah. Then use your arrow key to move from left to right, up to bottom. Okay. Click on enter to commit changes. Okay, we're going to zoom in. So now let me turn on my keyboard. That is my screen keyboard. I'm going to make a duplicate layer. I will do Ctrl J on the keyboard. Ctrl J on the keyboard. Then creating a visible stamp layer, Ctrl Shift Alt E. Now I'm going to use our rectangle marquee tool, which is M on the keyboard. Hold and drag, then Ctrl T. Hold Shift and drag. Okay. Click on enter. Ctrl T to select. Zoom in to the passport. You still have to stretch it a bit. Click on V once again on your keyboard. Okay. So stretch it down a bit. So stretch it up a bit. Okay. Okay, this side is okay. So click on enter. So next, we want to create a visible stamp layer. Now I want to blur out the background. For that, I want to make a selection of the subject alone. Go to your select, go to subject, select subject. Now you wait for this process to load. I'll speed up the process so that the video not be cut. Okay, now click on B on the keyboard to remove that stuff. So now I want to use our H. I'll raise our hand to shortcut is H on the keyboard to move around to see areas that Photoshop didn't add or added to the background. So now I want to use our rectangle marquee tool. So our polygonal axis mark key tool to remove this selection from the model or customer. Okay. Okay. Now, okay, the selection is okay. So now I want to invert the selection by holding Ctrl Shift I. Ctrl Shift I on the keyboard. So now we want to cut this layer by holding Ctrl X. So now what we've basically done is we selected the background alone, Control X on the keyboard. Now I want to make a mask of it. Create a new layer, then paste the background. So now we want to go to our our filter, go to blur, go to Gaussian blur, and take it to about 200. The blur reduce to about 200. Then click on enter. So next, we want to take this thing down. All you have to do is to hold and drag, or hold on Control and left bracket key for you to take it down. So now, if we zoom in to the image, you can see that it's blurred perfectly, but this area is a bit kind of no blurred. So we want to use our mixer brush to mix that out. So to mix it out. Okay, so now I've successfully made a passport format. Now we want to make it in a printable style. So to do that, we want to create a new document, and to create a new document, we have to hold on Control and N in the keyboard. Now the format we want to use here is 6x4 inch. We leave it on inches, pixels by inches, then resolution at 1000. The reason I'm using at the resolution at 1000 is because once I bring this image to the new document area, the quality of this image will not drop. That's why I'm using a resolution of 1000. So it will be clear when it's coming out from your printer. So you click on create, and it will create this new layer. So next you want to go to your passport, then create a stamp visible layer by holding Ctrl Shift Alternate E on the keyboard. Highlight everything by holding on Ctrl A. Then copy. Once you copy, go to the new document layer. To paste it, Ctrl and V to paste. So now I want to resize it. I want to make about 8 copies of this. Okay, so now you drag it to the specific area. Yes, okay, this is fine. So now I want to make another copy of this passport. To do that, all you have to do is to hold your Alt in the keyboard and drag to the right hand side and leave a gap in between the two, so as when you're cutting the passport you won't have issues. So now I want to make another copy. By selecting the two passports, then hold on Alt, then drag. It's easier and faster. So the same way we did for this extra 2 passports is the same one to make another for copy. So we'll go to this layer 1, hold Shift and click on the last layer here. Hold your Alt key in the keyboard and drag down. As easy as that. Okay, now what we want to do now is use our arrows key to move it down. Yeah, like this. So now I want to centralize this whole passport. For that, you do the same thing. Click on the first layer, hold Shift, click on the last layer. Or instead of doing that, just merge all this layer together by holding Ctrl E. Once it's been meshed, just click. Then from here, just go to this to centralize. Okay, now centralize. Now, to increase the size of the passport a bit. And remember, when increasing the size of your passport, don't let it reach this area, because once you're printing it out, when you're about to cut the passports, it will cut out some part of the passport which you don't want. So we have to be careful when resizing the passport. Yeah, like this is okay. Let me see, reduce the size just in case of intensity. Okay, so this is fine and okay. So you can change the color of the background by going here to your solid color adjustment layer. Now you're gonna click on which color you want. For me, I'm gonna use kind of grayish color. Well, if you use white is fine for you, but for me, I want to use this color. So now you can now export this file and ready for printing. To export this, you're gonna hold your Control Shift S. Once you click on that, you take it to a new folder, a new page. Then hit this, click save the copy. Once you click on that save a copy, I want to save this on my desktop. You can name it anyhow you want. So you just type anything I see. Now go to JPEG or JPEG. This JPEG, JPG, JPEG, JP. Okay. So now you need to click on save. So now we're gonna take you to our interface to load up here. So the format you want to use is baseline standard. If you usually I use this baseline standard, it's most acceptable by all flash drive. But if you use baseline optimized, you might see it. For that of progressive, you won't see it. I'll show you being there. So all you have to do is make the quality to be on the highest maximum. Then this Mati, leave it as none, then click OK. So let's wait for it to load up to save. So now let's see our passport. This is my desktop folder. So this is what we have made from Photoshop. Okay, so this is our passport. So now you can now print this out anywhere of your choice. So this is how to make passport in Photoshop. And if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification to be notified when I post content like this. So till then, I'll see you in other tutorials to come. Bye bye.